So here we are in Photoshop, so let's create the design here. I will use that static and apply the color and add a paint there. Use that designs, make the changes around it. So we will try to choose another shape. So there it is. Explore another designs using that structure. So we will take a design there. So use that structures. I will take another shape. Let's have a shape there. Keep making the structure here. I will take that yellow design.